Many people can tell the value of a keyboard by how it sounds, looks, and feels. Many companies striving to produce a premium feeling board use different weight types, such as brass, silicone, or even zinc, to increase the weight of the board and potentially improve the sound. Hi guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replicate the feel and sounds of keyboards with weights for a much cheaper price. The main ingredient to this mod is lead tape, which can be purchased on Amazon for less than $20. The lead tape I have is 2 grams per inch, but you can get heavier or lighter stuff elsewhere. Many people use lead tape to adjust the weight of their golf clubs, tennis rackets, or other tools. For this mod, we will be using lead tape to increase the weight of our keyboard. The board I will be using is my epomaker EP84. It's using Duroc plate mount stabilizers, lubed and filmed gateron yellows, double shot PBT keycaps, and it's been tape modded and has some polyfill in the case. In this configuration, it weighs 678 grams, which is really light compared to most premium boards, which weigh upwards of around 1 or more kilograms. Now we're going to open up this board by unclipping the top piece and removing the PCB and foam. Now I'm going to show you guys the most important part. You will want to cut up the lead tape and stick it to the bottom of the case. This will allow it to act as a weight inside the keyboard. Once all the tape has been installed, we can reassemble the board. The total weight after adding this lead tape is 796 grams. It's not a ton heavier, but it's definitely a noticeable difference. Now, let's see how this mod affects the sound. As you can see, this mod made the keyboard just slightly higher pitched. It's not a huge difference, but it increases the sound signature because the metal on the tape reflects higher pitched sounds. Which is just kinda my guess since I don't know much about how sound works. Overall, if you like this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.